What's up, beautiful babes, and welcome into Sugar Fingers. Yeah. And welcome back, beautiful babes, for those of you who are already on the Sugar Fingers team. And if you're new to the channel, don't be a stranger. Introduce yourself in the comments and subscribe to the channel so you'll be in the know with all of my latest and greatest nail videos and looks right here on Sugar Fingers. Listen, y'all, today I'm super excited that I've teamed up with Madam Glam once again, and today's video is all about Glam for Humanity, nails for the cause, thanks to Madam Glam. Listen, this year Madam Glam will share the love they are giving back each month to a nonprofit organization that vibes with their values and their beliefs in the spirit of inclusiveness, friendship, and appreciation. For February, Madam Glam is partnering up with Artists for Humanity. I will have the links below for you to check out. And this is all going to be surrounded by Glam for Humanity. As one of their influencers, I was asked to release my inner artist and create a gorgeous design using my choice of 4 gels from the Glam for Humanity collection that can be found right on Madam Glam's website. I'm super excited to do this video, y'all. The best part of it is that for every bottle of gel polish sold from this collection, Madam Glam is donating $1 to this fantastic nonprofit organization. So please try to do your part to support this amazing cause. Now, I do have my link with Madam Glam listed below. If you use my code SweetAngel30, you'll get 30% off of your entire order. There's free shipping worldwide for any orders over $100. Again, use my code SweetAngel30 for 30% off of your entire order. Now, they do have a 30-day return policy. Simply return it within 30 days for exchange. And I want to thank Madam Glam so much for gifting me these Madam Glam polishes to share with y'all today. And I am super excited to share my nail artistry with you all today, which you know is not extravagant, but I'm going to do my best. And I was not paid to do this video whatsoever, but y'all know I definitely am happy to support a great cause. So let's get on to this nail look today, and I do appreciate you all hanging out with me. Again, subscribe to the channel so you'll be in the know the next time I'm sharing a video. So now let's get into these polishes from the Glam for Humanity collection from Madam Glam. So let me update you on the nails. Yes, I do have on stiletto nails. I've already done one hand. This is my Valentine Day hand. It's a Madam Glam production as well, but we'll get into that on another video if you have not already seen it. Macart stiletto full cover nails. Now let's get into these Glam for Humanity collection nail polishes. I tell you what, these look so pretty in this bottle. I'm ready to do these nails. This is Screaming Summer Neon. Honey, this looks so pretty on the top of this bottle. I am so ready to check this out. Let me just open this bottle and see what we have here. Oh my, are you ready? Ooh, go away, winter. Let's get into the summer for real, for real. I'm so impressed. Nice polish there. Ooh, I'm just trying to dream of what am I going to do with these nails. Honey, very, very impressive. Oh, y'all, I love nail polishes that are yellow. This gel polish here, perfect yellow. Wow, I'm loving the shade. I first got to see if it looks the same in the bottle as it does right here on the outside. perfect yellow is what this is. If you have any questions about my jewelry or anything like the nails that I'm wearing, please check the description box. I want to reiterate that I do try to make sure I include all information in the description box under this video. Yes, 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 this yellow is beautiful. So beautiful. Can y'all see that? Simply beautiful. I'm loving it. Again, I'm showing you 4 different polishes from the Glam for Humanity collection from Madam Glam. And y'all know I'm a sucker for pink. I love pink. I do. This one is Barbie Girl. Honey, you just stole my heart with the name of the polish. You don't even have to show me the polish. I know it's going to be top dog. Yes, indeed. But I got to show y'all. But here you go. Yeah. See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? This is it. This is it. I'm just ready to just show off these nails. I mean, I don't even have to do anything extensive with these colors because they show off all by themselves. And now, finally, the final color here. This is beautiful on this bottle, and their packaging is everything. That's what I love about theirs. The packaging is everything. And this is Lagoon. Yes. Check it out. Check it out. And let's really check it out. Okay. 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 There she is. Wow. My nails are going to be so flashy this summer. You know, you're going to have to put on your sunshades to check my nails out because, honey, this is it. And now let's line up these polishes. Let me brainstorm and see what kind of look I'm going to do. I'm going to be using the Madam Glam top coat and also the base coat. I have some bling here that I got from a kit off of Amazon. I'm getting together all of my tools that I need. This is just to help pick up the rhinestones. And this is the cuticle oil I love from xoxo. You know I love it. If I don't make my own, this is the one that I'm going to be using. And I have my Madam Glam little mini lamp here to cure the gel polishes. So off camera, I had already buffed my stiletto fake nails that I put on. Right now, I'm just putting on the Madam Glam base coat and curing it under the lamp. The first polish I'm going to use from the Glam for Humanity collection is going to be this beautiful blue color here called Lagoon. Putting that all over my thumb, and then of course I'm going to cure it, and we'll go ahead and put on the top coat after then. So let's do that now. So it's now cured, and I love that blue. Yes, I do. Listen, we're going to do the pink one next, but what I'm going to do is make sure I wipe this down with some alcohol, and that way it'll take off that tacky, sticky top coat. And now we're going to put the base on the next finger and get ready to apply this pink. I do believe that's what I'm going to do next. Let's do that now. And beautiful babes, if you have not subscribed to Sugar Fingers, it's a great place to be. It's a fun place to be. It's a pretty place to be right here on Sugar Fingers. So let's go ahead, get that little housework done right now and subscribe. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and work these nails so that you can see the final results, because I really think you know how to do all the rest of this good stuff. I'm going to go ahead and proceed on with the nail polish, but then I just thought about the bling. The rhinestones are going on. So we'll do all of that right here. So stay tuned to the very end, because you never know. Your girl might have some surprises for you. I just wanted to make mention of the formula and the curing time for these Glam for Humanity nail polishes, which they are, of course, gel polishes, and you need normally 1 to 2 coats for a flawless finish, and about 2 minutes curing time by UV lamp, and if you're using an LED lamp, it'll take about 30 to 60 seconds. And definitely, if you want a guaranteed super great finish, it is definitely recommended to use Madam Glam's Soak Off Base Coat Gel and Soak Off Top Coat Gel. And this polish is super easy to remove just by soaking in acetone or even using Madam Glam's Gel Polish Remover, which I'll have all of that linked down in the description, as well as information on application steps and any additional information you may need, and of course along with my discount code. All right, beautiful babes, I've come up with what I want to do with this ring finger. And honey, we're about to bling it up. Yes, we are. Rhinestones all the way. And your girl ain't scared. I'm telling you, it's all over the finger. Yes, we are definitely glamming for humanity today. Nails for the cause. Check this out. In order to secure the rhinestones, I simply put on the Madam Glam base coat, cured that, and then I put on the Madam Glam top coat and start laying down the rhinestones. And once they're all on, I will cure. I'll also put a little bit more on top of the rhinestones and cure that, and that would be the end. Oh yes, and so this is how we do it, beautiful babes. Glam for humanity, nails for the cause. Check it out on Madam Glam's website. I do have the link below for you. And remember, to shop means a world of difference for Glam for humanity. Definitely each bottle of polish you purchase, $1 will be donated by Madam Glam towards the cause. I certainly appreciate you watching, beautiful babes, and if you love the look of the nails, please let me know by dropping a like on this video, dropping me some hands, some hearts, or whatever you can share in the comments. That'll mean the world to me. Take care of yourself, and until next time, beautiful babes, like, comment, subscribe, and please keep your hands looking gorgeous. Bye.